futuristic design, a huge 25,000 mAh capacity, 210 watts of output, and even a display to give it real-time information, the Cuktech 20 Powerbank delivers a lot of power in a compact and easy to carry size, so hit subscribe now and we'll see just what this thing can do. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Cuktech and they've sent me the Cuktech 20 Powerbank for free to showcase to you guys. So the Cuktech 20 is a power bank for all of your electronics, from laptops to phones, and pretty much anything really. With a full charge, it can charge an iPhone 14 4 times over. We've got a futuristic design with a 1.54-inch TFT display showing real-time information. We even have some light strips that also have a charging animation. Now the power bank itself is relatively small and compact, and it makes it very easy to carry around. It's made of solid plastic, but it does feel very well built, and I imagine it can withstand its fair share of drops and falls, and in terms of its weight, it comes in at around 630 grams. On the sides, we've got it mostly covered with this textured material which adds to the grip, and this is also on the top as well as the bottom. Then on the top of the power bank, we've got a USB-A port along with two USB-C ports. Now the USB-C 1 port is the charging port for the Cuktech 20, and it's also the most powerful charger. It supports 140 watt power delivery 3.1, and it's also tailored for super fast charging to Samsung devices, and it can charge the S23 Ultra to full in less than 60 minutes. Now the USB-C 2 port also packs some power if you've got multiple devices that need charging at the same time, and it supports a maximum power output of 60 watts for Xiaomi devices and 45 watts for other devices. Then the USB-A port supports an output of 30 watts. Now if you're charging multiple devices at the same time though, the maximum output from the power bank is 210 watts, and here we have on screen the specific charging outputs of each port for those of you concerned with the technical details. Now the total capacity of the Cuktech 20 is also 25,000 mAh, so plenty to keep all of your devices charged, and I have to say that it's quite impressive for the size of it. Now my favourite thing about the Cuktech 20 though is the 1.54-inch TFT display, and it gives us real-time information about the power bank and all of the devices that are connected to it. When I press the button on the front, you can see the display turns on, as well as the dual light strips, and they also automatically turn on when you connect a device to one of the USB-C ports. Now you can see when it starts to charge, we also get an animation on the light strip, as well as plenty of information on the display. At the top left, we've got the battery percentage, and this is the remaining percentage left in the power bank. And then over on the right, we've got the charging time remaining. Now below that, we've got the total input and output to show you the power in watts that either the power bank is charging at or how powerful it's charging other devices. And then underneath that, we've got the 3 ports listed, and it actually gives us the real-time information on the total power in watts, as well as the amperage and the voltage, and it will display these 3 ports simultaneously. Now it's nice to see all the information, and it's not only useful to show you that your devices are charging safely, but it also gives you an idea on how your devices perform and shows you how they charge through the different stages in your device's charge cycle. Now if we press the power button again, the top section then changes to a graph, and it simply graphs out the power input and output so we can see how this is changing over time. And then if we press it again, we can choose to either keep the screen on and go back to the first page, or we can just turn the screen off. Now you can also be rest assured that your devices are charging safely as well, thanks to all of the required safety protections built in. And the Cuktech 20 can easily cope with charging abnormalities such as overcharge, over-discharge, over-temperature, and short circuit, and these protections are in place at all times. As well as charging other devices quickly, we've also got some impressive self-charging speeds, and it supports 110 watts input, which allows the Cuktech 20 to charge to 40% in just 19 minutes, and it can also charge from 0% to 100% in just 2 hours. Now when it comes to the unboxing, you can see it's nice and simple but well packaged. If we open it up, you can see we first get the Cuktech 20 power bank itself. We've then got a box behind that which contains a USB-C cable for charging. We've got a fabric carry case with a pull cord to fasten at the top, and then finally we've got the instruction manual. But overall, I've been very happy with the Cuktech 20 power bank. Not only is it easy to carry around, but it's packing plenty of capacity, it charges everything nice and quickly, and it also looks cool while doing it. Now for those interested, there's also more in the range, including the Cuktech 10, which is a bit smaller and only has a 10,000 mAh capacity with a max 100 watt output, and it's also only got 2 USB ports. Now we've got the Cuktech 15, which has 3 ports, a 20,000 mAh capacity, and a 100 watt max output. Now of course, I've placed the link down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out now. And for the Cuktech 20 that I've showcased in today's video, it's currently £94.80 on Amazon UK, which is a great price considering everything on offer. And hopefully I've covered everything for you guys in today's video, but as always, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.